Hello, let's talk today about 3 reasons to own your facility's medium voltage distribution system. By way of introduction, a couple of things. First of all, either you own your medium voltage distribution system or the utility company owns it. Those are the 2 options. And it depends on where your utility meter is located. Generally anything downstream or on your plant side of the meter, you own. Anything closer to the utility distribution system upstream of the meter, the utility company would own. The other introductory comment I will make is that this generally applies to large power distribution systems, so facilities that have multiple step-down transformers or maybe a single large step-down transformer. So now let's talk about the 3 reasons to own your facility's distribution system. First up is reliability. If you own the distribution system, if you own that equipment, you're in control of equipment selection. So the higher quality equipment, the better, more reliable equipment, you can control the selection of that versus a utility standard piece of equipment. You can control the maintenance and testing procedures of that equipment. The utility approach is generally run to failure for that equipment, which obviously means unplanned outages. And lastly, with respect to reliability, you control your own destiny in the case of an emergency or a critical business need. You can determine the timing of things and so forth. The second reason to own your facility's distribution system is flexibility. You can design and make changes to the system based on your facility's current or future business needs. And also, you can control the timing of that maintenance and testing procedures. So not only does that impact reliability, but it can impact the flexibility, as you can control the timing of when to do maintenance and work around your plant's planned outages. And the third reason to own your facility's distribution system is cost. Most utilities will charge less per kilowatt hour for the energy consumed if you own the transformer and any other medium voltage distribution equipment. The reason for that is if they own that equipment, they've generally sort of quote-unquote given it to you at the front end of when that plant was built, and they're recovering the cost of that equipment over time through your utility bill, through your rate. If you own that equipment, you don't have to pay that cost recovery tariff. One example we recently found is a Midwestern flour mill saved about $30,000 per year by taking over ownership of the equipment. And that was after factoring in the acquisition of those assets. They saved $30,000 per year, roughly a 2-year payback, plus all the advantages that we just outlined. Hope that helps.